Hey, Justin here from KneeRover.com, and today we're going to assemble your KneeRover Quad scooter. This will also be the same assembly for the KneeRover Quad Junior. Alright, to assemble the scooter, what we'll need is our front axle bolts, our tie rod hardware, bolt, 4 washers, and then the nut, your knee pad locking pin, your height adjustment knob, your 8 and 10 millimeter wrench, and then your Allen wrench. All right, so step number 1 is installing your front axle. We're always going to make sure that the welded on nut here is facing towards the bottom. Just open those wheels up there just like that. You're going to line these holes up with this hole. And you're going to take your front axle bolts and drop them in the hole. Screw them into the nut down at the bottom. You're going to take your provided Allen wrench and tighten these up here. And just make sure you get them really good and tight. Alright, so your next step is your tie rods. Just going to drop that tie rod bolt into the hole there. You're going to take a washer, put it on, drop it into the black plate. And you're going to take another washer and put it on. Put that tie rod on. And then you're going to take 2 washers and then your nut. Screw that on hand tight. Then you're going to use the 10 millimeter side of your wrench to tighten it on up. If you get it too tight, just back it off about half a turn. All right, so step number 3 is your steering column. We're going to rotate this upwards. We're going to take this quick release lever and pull it over to the left. Rotate it upward and release it. You're going to take this quick release lever, pull it up into that groove, and then clamp it down. All right, so step number 4 is inserting your knee pad. You're going to open that quick release lever just like so. Drop the knee pad in. You're going to select your desired height, and then you're going to put the knee pad locking pin into this hole. And you're going to secure it on the opposite side. And then you're going to take this quick release lever here and clamp it around. All right, so step number 5, we're going to insert the handlebars into the column. We're going to take your height adjustment knob, put it in this hole here at your desired height. And then we're going to screw it all the way in. Make sure it's good and snug. All right, so that concludes the assembly of your quad scooter or your quad junior. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at 877-737-9877, or you can email us at help@kneerover.com. Thanks for choosing KneeRover.